Hello, this is the Grace Company, and this is to help you if you are unable to open your software after an update. When you're opening your software, it may not look like it's supposed to. This text box may show up. First thing you want to do is turn off your tablet. Then turn it on again. After you turn your tablet off and on, tap on File Explorer. Double tap on this PC. Double tap on your C drive. After double tapping on your C drive, double tap on Powered by QuillCAD. Then double tap on Updates, which is towards the bottom. Then you'll see the latest update you did, double tap on that, and rerun the update. After you're done, and the next time you open the software, be sure to double tap on the icon to open it, and then wait. Thank you for watching, and if you have any more questions, contact the Grace Company.